Hi guys, today I'm going to experience UK's first Amazon grocery shop with no tills. So I am in front of Ealing Broadway shopping center. So here this first Amazon UK grocery shop is present. As you can see, people are in a queue to go in the store. So this store actually have no tills inside, and we will see what they have inside the store and how this store operates. Let's go and have a look. So here I am in a queue to go in the store. So you can see it's mentioned Amazon Fresh. Just walk out, no queue. I mean, when it say no queue, that means no queue for the tills, because they don't have tills inside the store. So let's see how this is going to work. Staff here instructing you need to log in your Amazon app on your phone, and you need to scan a QR code on your way into the store. I am in the store. Apparently this look like just a normal grocery store, but there is one thing different: small tiny sensors or small tiny cameras on the roof. So there are a lot of small tiny cameras. I'll try to show you if you notice. So these cameras, I think, will identify where you are and what actually is going to take off the shelves. So ये आपको आइडेंटिफाई करके तो आपके बिल में अकाउंट में ऐड कर देंगे जो भी आप शेल्फ से उठाएंगे ऑटोमेटिकली. हॉट ड्रिंक सेक्शन है. सो आई थॉट लेट्स ट्राई Amazon coffee, how it tastes like, क्वालिटी कैसी है. So I'm going to try coffee. Let's say which one. So I'm going to try cappuccino. How this tastes like. Okay guys, that's the end of my visit to the UK's first Amazon grocery shop with no tills. Hope you have better idea about the store now, how the store look like. Thanks for watching. Bye.